How to enable or disable bold text on your Vivo Y02t mobile phone. Okay guys, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to display and brightness. And display and brightness below, you can see here the font and display size. You can tap this and scroll down and you can see here the bold text. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And to enable or turn on the bold text, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. And you can see the difference on your text. And to disable again or turn off the bold text, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled the bold text on your Vivo Y02t mobile phone.